Happy St. Patrick's Day! Welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. I'm going to be eating some corned beef because my husband is Irish and I never even knew what corned beef was before. But now I do, and so we're going to eat it today, and I am dressed accordingly. So today, if you're dressing up or even if you're not, let's go ahead and let's learn how to make a 4-leaf clover cut paper. So it's going to be kind of like our snowflakes and like the flowers and the hearts that we've made before. I really like this technique. It's really fun to decorate the house this way with some scratch paper or some colored paper. So go grab any paper and some scissors and let's get started. So for my first one, I'm going to do it out of white paper so you can see what I'm doing a little clearer. But you can do this out of any color or even some old art. So we're going to start off with a square. If you have a rectangular piece of paper, just pull this corner up to the top to show yourself that it's a rectangle or a triangle, and then you'll cut away the extra that's over here. So we're going to be starting with our square, and we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold it in half again. Try to do this as carefully as you can. Now make sure that we are making note of our folded edges. So here we have a fold and here we have a fold. Here it's open. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a triangle now. So we have folded and folded here, it's open here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring this corner up for that triangle. And even if you mess up on that first one, you can go ahead and try to make it as perfect as you can. There we go. And now we're going to draw in a heart-like shape. We don't want to cut over here because then it's going to fall apart. So we're going to come here. We're going to go up really high. And then we're going to curve down. So this is what's going to be left, and this is going to be cut away. And let's go ahead and see what we have. And there we go, we have our beautiful clover. We could have left it a little bit bigger here to make it a little bit wider. So let's go ahead and we can do that one more time. This time I'm doing it out of a green paper and it's not a square yet. So I'm going to bring up that corner till it's even, cut away this strip, and we could make a bunch of really cute little ones from this strip. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open it back up. We're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And now make sure you know where your folded edges are. So here's a fold, here's a fold. We want to make sure our fold is on the top and at the side. We're going to bring this corner up to make a triangle. And now we're going to draw in that shape again. Now this time we can play with making a slightly bigger shape. So I want it to be bigger here. So I'm coming out. And then I'm coming over and slightly down. So it's kind of like half of a heart Let's see with this bigger shape how we turn out. And you can always go big and then refold it and add or take away. There we go. I like how that one came out better than this one. And that's why you try again and again, and you know, if you're doing a bunch of these and putting them on your window, it'd be good to have some that are smaller and some that are bigger. With that scratch piece of paper we have for making a square, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a chain of clovers. We're gonna fold in half. We're gonna fold in half again. And we can even fold in half one more time. We're gonna open it up now, just so we have those marks. And we're gonna fold it accordion style. So we're gonna go one way and then the other. And we're just using those original folds as our guides. One way and then the other, back and forth, until you have a nice accordion that opens up like that. So now we're going to go ahead and we are going to draw on our clover shape. It's going to be round, come in, round again, and then up to the stem. And remember, I always draw light until I know I'm happy with my shape. And even when you cut it, you can always pick your favorite. You want to make sure that this goes all the way to the edge, otherwise you're just going to have a bunch of individual clovers. And it's okay if you draw a bunch, because this side could always be flipped over. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut. Make sure you're holding it together nicely. And let's see what we get. Oh, so cute. Look at how our clover repeating came out. If you had a bunch of these strips, you could go ahead and attach them and make a whole long chain of clovers. So I hope you had fun making all your different types of clovers, whether it was the chain that was your favorite or you just like the big one sheet clovers. Let me know in the comments below which one did you like better, and give it a thumbs up if you had fun with this video. I'd love to see what you make, and I'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment below. And I hope to see you next time for Art with Miss Choate. Bye friends, have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day.